What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com, and today I'm going to be answering a question that I literally get almost every week. I get messages from my subscribers all the time, and they ask me, they say, John, I want to make money with YouTube, but I don't want to make videos. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube without making videos. Now, this is your first time to my channel. My name is John from johnmcneil.com, and if you want to learn about, affiliate marketing and making money from home, you should definitely consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on that little John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. Now guys, I'm going to show you today how to make money with YouTube without making videos, and we're starting right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and I'm here at a website called Famebitcom, Famebitcom. And basically what this website is it's a conglomerate of creators. So people that are on YouTube and other social media platforms that have huge followings, and they're willing to do what we call like sponsorship ads. So these individuals will either, put a link in their description for you, or they'll actually, promote your product or your service in their video, and that's how you would basically kind of just work out the details with them specifically in terms of like what you want your campaign and how you want it set up. But what you can do is go over to famebit.com and you can sign up for free. And basically on the side here, you can actually see, the different categories you can actually sort by. You can sort by most hired or best cost per follower. You can kind of play with the reach. So if you want somebody that, has like 100,000 subscribers, you would leave it, here, or you can move it down and, adjust it and play with it like that. And then you could say your primary audience, would be like, male or female. You could choose age range. You could really niche it down depending on like the target market. And then you can go here and actually pick the channel category. Now at Famebit, the categories that they have here are like beauty and fashion, health and fitness, gaming apps, text, pets, and then like other too. So you can check out, some different channels. But essentially what you could do is you could go to somebody and you can kind of just look at their stats really quick. You can see this person has 111,000 followers. Their audience is mostly female from age 25 to 34, mostly a USA audience. And then you can kind of go a little bit deeper into their account by viewing their profile. And it'll show you, again, their subscriber count. It'll show you what they're doing on Instagram. It actually breaks down their audience demographics, the geography. You can kind of get a feel for how, they're making their videos and, their personality here in their videos. And essentially what you can do is, invite them to a campaign and start, conversing with them to figure out, hey, you have a product to sell. You want to get some sort of sponsorship ad, whether you want them to sponsor, actually promote the, product or website in their video. Or you want to just have a link in the description, however you want to do that. So this is a good website that you can start with to, actually pay somebody that already is creating videos, that already has influence, that already has, massive, an audience to promote your products and services. Now, naturally, guys, you want to, be picking somebody that is in your niche, right? So if I had a health and beauty product or an affiliate website that I was trying to promote, of course, I'm going to be selecting somebody in the health and beauty niche, just as well if I was like trying to sell, a course on, six-pack abs, I would be selecting people in the health and fitness niche, right? And so pricing just varies. So like it gets vary from like maybe a couple $100 to, multiple thousands of dollars, depending on their reach and their audience, right? So it just kind of depends on how they charge. But, if you don't have a huge budget, you may want to try to target people that don't have like massive followings, and maybe try to target, creators that have a decent following, but their pricing may not be as expensive, right? So that's Famebitcom. Another website that I actually found just recently is called grapevinecom. I've not actually signed up for this website, but I was just checking it out, and I saw that they kind of had some brands that they worked with. These are some big brands here, like Walgreens and Coca-Cola and L'Oreal. So this is probably a similar setup where you can actually, log in and find creators that are willing to promote your products and services. The other way you can do it, and the last way I wanted to show you guys, is actually just going over to YouTube itself. So if I'm in the make money online niche, and for instance, say I want to try to find somebody that will leave a link in the description for me, or just promote my website. So maybe you would basically type in whatever your niche is. So I'm going to type in here, make money online, and typically so that's going to be like my core keyword. And typically when you are searching your core keyword, you'll find a bunch of people that come up, right? And then most of these people that you see that come up on the first page of results have a ton of followers, they have a lot of views, etc., etc. So what I could basically do is I could kind of look at some of these videos, and I could essentially just go over to their sites and kind of see what they're doing. And then let's just pick one. So let's pick this No Boss Life video. So I could actually just go over to, first of all, sometimes in the actual description they'll have something like for business inquiries. It's not there. So if you don't see it in like the description of the video, you can actually go over to their main channel and then click on about, and she has nothing there. So let's pick another person. Let's go with Think Media. This guy makes videos about just creating videos, and he sells a lot of equipment, talking about camera and lighting and everything else. So if I went over to like his about me page, right here it says details, it says business inquiries, right? So you could actually just view his actual email address, and then you could actually contact him and just ask him, would he be willing to promote your product or service? Now, guys, you have to realize too that most of the people that are big on YouTube aren't going to do this, right? So you may have to go through a number of people in order to kind of find, that diamond in the rough, because if they are going to promote you, I mean, you're probably gonna have to pay a lot of money. And that's why I was saying, like, if you're starting out with a small budget, then you want to go to people that, may not have like huge followings, but they're on the come up, they're on the rise, and then maybe it could be maybe a couple $100 to leave a link in the description, or maybe a couple $100 to like do like a video testimony about your product or website. And then if you have a larger budget, then you can target some of these other people and just kind of find out what they charge and if they're even willing to do it. Here is a girl that is in the health and fitness niche. And again, you can click on like the About Me page. You can see she has a ton of views and subscribers. And here again, business inquiries, send her an email. And this website is about do-it-yourself cooking tutorials, makeup, fashion videos, dance music. I mean, she's kind of all over the board, but you can see she has, a big following. And over 2.2 million subscribers, And so the last thing I wanted to kind of show you guys, depending on, whether the channel has a big audience or even a small audience, there may be a specific video that may just really tie in well with like the product or the affiliate, program that you're trying to sell. So if you find a video and you kind of determine that it's getting some decent views, you contact the person and they are willing to do say like put your link in the description, what you should do is have them provide you some of their stats of the particular video. So this is one of my videos on my channel, and you can see in the last 28 days it's gotten like 3,900 views, a little over 3,900 views, almost 4,000 views. So this video is getting about let's say about 130 views per day. So, and that's what you kind of want to look for. You want to look for a video that, okay, if I'm going to pay a little bit of money to put my link in the description, I want something that is going to get at least 100 views a day, if not more. You want to get as many views as possible, but you want to get something that's going to get you at least 100 views per day, so that you know that you're going to get a certain amount of clicks to that link. And when you think about it, guys, if you can find like one of these videos that are doing 100, 200 views per day, and you know a certain portion of those individuals that are watching those videos are going to that affiliate link, that's your affiliate link that's in the description, that's a lot of good free traffic, right? And potentially could be, you know, free traffic for a long period of time, you know, depending on how you work your deal, if it's a permanent, you know, deal, or if it's just for a certain period of time. This is all negotiable with, you know, the creators that you work out your deal with, right? So basically I wanted to show you guys that. So I did do a little script just so you guys kind of have an idea of what you can say when you're contacting the creators. So basically, this is something I literally just typed out just now. So you can say something like, hi, my name is John McNeil, and I'm a fan of your YouTube channel. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I promote products in the XYZ niche. So if you're doing health and fitness, you could just say, you know, I'm an affiliate marketer, and I promote products in the health and fitness niche. I'm wondering if you'd be willing to do a sponsor ad on my behalf in order to get some targeted prospects to my website. If you're willing to do a sponsor ad, please share the details of what you provide and any guidelines / restrictions I would need to be aware of. Please also include pricing and timelines. I'm interested in getting, basically you insert your website here. You say, I'm interested in getting my website promoted. And you can kind of just plug in your website right there so that they see what you're actually trying to promote. This could be a squeeze page. You know, I would consider, like, I would really try to do a squeeze page. You can build your list. I have seen some people just, you know, direct them straight to an affiliate offer. I don't suggest that. So I would suggest leaving a squeeze page here. And then you can also leave like the other side of the affiliate offer. So you can leave them like the page to the squeeze page, and then the other page that they'll be redirected to, so they understand like how the whole funnel works. And then you can end the little email by saying, you know, I look forward to hearing back from you and hopefully working with you. Thank you for the great content you share and your consideration. And then you just put your name and like your contact information as far as like your email address or phone number or whatever you want to leave as your contact information. So, you know, basically you can go out there, you can find people in your niche, you can contact them, you can kind of just give them this little script. You know, I just kind of wrote this out. You can kind of, you know, adjust it however you need to. And, you know, go out there and utilize people, other creators, other influencers that are getting a ton of traffic in your market space, and just pay to get in front of that traffic and get them to your website. Guys, this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that little like button. And also, guys, I do have a free guide that will show you how I do affiliate marketing from A to Z. You can actually go to in the description, johnmcneil.com, and pick up that free ebook. It's really good. So we'll see you on the next video, guys. This is John from johnmcneil.com. Peace.